Welcome to my channel, Crystal here. Today I bring you a super easy but incredibly delicious kale recipe with sweet potato and egg. The bright colors, nutritious ingredients, and the rich flavors will make you come back to it again and again. Now let's see how to make this easy and delicious kale sweet potato and egg meal. These are the ingredients you will need. 2 cups of kale leaves, half mid-sized sweet potato, 1 onion wedge, about 1/8 of the whole onion, 1 egg, and 1 avocado. First, wash the kale clean. I'm a little germophobic on cleaning veggies. Just cannot stop rubbing and washing it at least multiple times. Use a drainer to get rid of the extra water. Roughly chop the onions. Peel the sweet potato and cut it down to 1-inch cubes. Then pour half tablespoon oil in the pan. Chicken or veggie stock will work too. Add in the sweet potato first. The natural sugar from sweet potatoes will offset the mild bitterness from the kale in a perfect way. Then pour half cup chicken stock or veggie stock in and cover the lid. Let it simmer with medium heat for about 6 minutes. Then add in the onions. The unique, savory, pungent flavor from the onions adds extra depth to this dish. Stir a few times and cover the lid. Let it simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes or until the onion becomes transparent. When the sweet potato is soft, it's time to add the kale in. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until the kale becomes tender. Then season the dish with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Transfer it to a plate. Then we move on to frying the egg. 1 teaspoon oil in the pan. I'm using my pancake pan to get a perfect round shaped egg. When the egg is ready, put on top of the dish. Today, my avocado turned bad. Have to toss it away and replacing it with the organic guacamole I bought from Costco. Since I'm eating this as my brunch, I will pour some coffee and set up my space. Get ready to enjoy my delicious meal. The mildly sweet and salty taste, layered texture from multiple ingredients. Every bite is full of flavors. have a sip of coffee. A good meal is always a wonderful start of a beautiful day. This is how to make this easy, delicious kale sweet potato egg meal. I hope you enjoy the video and give it a try. It's perfect for brunch, also works for a light dinner, especially when you don't have time to cook during the week. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!